This is Go Figure, day 30. It's called Vision, describing something in a way that you can picture it. I hope this story did that for you, that it helped you see both Spaniard figures in your mind. I can. I literally see how I want to appear in the future, as a hero with my arms up, but also knocked down on the ground, because I'm going to keep fighting forever, and that's what happens when you fight. The future I want is one where I keep going back and forth between those states. With as much clarity as you can, picture yourself in the future when things are going well, but also when things are not going well. I promise you that doing this will help you become who you want to be. But I also really do mean that this story will help me in the actual action figures of myself, as well as inaction figures, because stories have that much power. Stories helped create smartphones. When I was a kid, there were reruns of an old TV show called Star Trek. You know Star Trek with Starfleet officers on starships. They carried little devices called communicators that they used to speak to anyone, anywhere. Back then, they didn't exist, but they were so cool that everyone wanted them. There was another show called The Jetsons. Maybe you've seen it, a cartoon where people have flying cars and video phones. We still don't have flying cars, but we do have video phones now. Made up stories like those helped create actual reality because they helped people picture what they wanted. Many kids who watched those kinds of shows became scientists, engineers, designers, and inventors who created smartphones and keep improving them. They worked on what was in the stories until they made the stories come true. Oh, and guess what? This story that I made up for you also includes at least one thing that is not possible yet, as far as I know. A sensor on an action or inaction figure that can make a smartphone see custom tattoos on the figure's skin. But that could be cool. And maybe you are the person who will hear this story at a young age and go on to invent that technology. That's what this story is about, knowing what you want and creating what you want. You will do it. You won't stop until you're in the future that you dream. You'll get up when you're knocked flat. You'll rise when you fall. You'll be an action figure and an inaction figure because you'll never stay down. Go, go, go. And that's it, my friends. I really appreciate you tuning in. This has been 30 Days of Spaniard, book number 1, Go Figure. This is the first time we've done this. I hope you enjoy it. I'd love to have you come back. See you.